In this quick video, we're going to show you how to cancel any subscription or membership that you may have through Amazon Prime. If you have channels like Starz or Showtime or AMC Plus or Paramount Plus, this video will help you cancel those automatic credit card payments. Okay, so if you got a desktop or laptop, it's preferable that you do it on that kind of platform. Just make sure that you're logged into Amazon. I'm on Google Chrome right now. So what you're going to do is when you're logged in, go to the upper right here where it says Account and Lists. You click on Account and Lists, and then what you're going to do is go all the way down to where it says Memberships and Subscriptions. You click that, or technically you could go to Amazon.com/App Store Subscriptions, and that will take you directly there just as long as you're logged in. And then from here, you're going to go down where it says Current Subscriptions or Memberships. So basically what you want to do is you want to find your channel. So for example, if you got Showtime or AMC Plus, you just click on here, View Channels, and then you click on it. And then right over here on the very right, you want to click on Cancel Subscription or Cancel Membership. So you go ahead and click on it. And then it's going to take you to like a little box like this to where it'll give you options. You can cancel right now, you can turn off auto renew, or you can keep your subscription or remind me 3 days before renewal. So if you just want to watch all the way up until if you got like a week left, that way you can just watch it until your term is up. So go ahead and choose that, and after you do that, it's going to ask you to log back into Amazon. So go ahead and type in your password and all that good stuff. And then from there, it's going to take you to Account and Settings. And so what you want to go down here to where your channels are, and then you want to find yours. So for example, if you have Showtime, you want to click on Cancel Subscription, and that should take care of it. Now it'll take you to this one screen. Basically, you're going to whoever the affiliation is. If it's Paramount Plus, for example, you got to say cancel my subscription or remind me in 3 days. And then after that, let's say you want to take a break over the summer, and then you want to start back in on Christmas time. You can go back to just where we were before, and what you do is just click on Restart, and it'll start charging you again. Alright, I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to me.